Hello, it's Big Chads. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to take a look at a selection from my latest book, my fourth book, at least at the time of this publishing, The Trading Journal. It's Trading Wisdom Part 2. It's why you should use a trading journal, how to fill one out, sample trading ideas when they fail, good trader habits, emotional management. And so we're going to take a look at a selection from the Good Trader Habits section. I'm trying to make the entire book free for you here. So be a rock, not a blade of grass. This is a good habit as a trader. You want to make sure that when you open up a new trade, it comes from your watch list rather than someone else's tweet or social media message. It can be really tempting to just go off of what someone else says. I mean, there's people who can present really compelling cases, but it's just words. It's just ideas. It's thoughts. And if they are your thesis, then when's your stop loss, right? What is your stop loss if you're just relying on the words of someone else? Every trade you take, it should come from your watch list. It should be from a chart you have studied, you have muscle memory on, you have a good feeling on. And you want to not be swayed just by the words of other people. It should be based on your experience, based on your intuition, your instinct, your muscle memory. So you should know the chart inside and out. And someone just says, hey, go check this out, and you just go jump in and you open up a position. That's pure gambling with no edge, no TA, no risk management, and you're just a blade of grass. You're blowing in the wind. You're very easily manipulated, okay? And especially this is hard to not do when everyone's talking about something. You can get FOMO and everyone's excited and you have no position. Just don't play it unless there's a really good opportunity. Go study the chart and wait and be patient. And, if you don't have a feel for the chart because you don't know it inside out, you're probably going to screw things up, right? You're going to make mistakes when you don't have an understanding of the key levels in the chart and have an understanding of what the volatility means and how to contextualize it. And, it's important for you to protect your money. It's important for you to take your funds seriously. And you want to be a rock, not a blade of grass blowing in the wind. You want to be a rock, someone who is unmoved by the words of others. You really only care about the price. You really only care about the four corners of the chart and the information that you're getting from there. So this is an important lesson. You want to stay disciplined. Trade from your watch list, and don't be swayed just by the simple words of other people. Words are wind. Words are whatever. People just say things. That's not important. And you should never execute a trade based on a single tweet or a message you see from someone else. Be a rock, not a blade of grass blowing in the wind. This is from the Good Trader Habits section of my latest book, Trading Wisdom, Part 2, The Trading Journal. It's available on Amazon, and I'm making the entire book free for you in the encyclopedia. This is the Trading Encyclopedia playlist on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. Hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.